Today I'm going to show you a strategy where you can earn decent amounts of money very easily and fast. It is a free and worldwide strategy so everyone can join. If you want to know how you can set this up, make sure to keep watching till the end because I'll also show you every step that you have to complete. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. So you won't miss any future video to come since I'll notify you whenever I upload a new video like this one on how to make money online. And if you love this type of content and you like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's now begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. The first thing that you need to do is to come over to YouTube and you can search for a specific niche, something that you think that is very popular and it's going to help people. For example, on how to lose weight fast. You can focus on something else if you want to, just choose one, and after that you're going to browse all of these different videos and you're going to choose one and then open it up. After you open it up, you're going to leave it like this for the moment and we are going to come back to it very soon. Let's proceed to the next website for today, which is this one here called UII.io. So this is the website that is going to make us money today, as you can see. If you scroll down, you're going to see what this website is about. This is a free tool where you can create short links, then share it, and you're going to get paid. So you can make money from home, you're going to get paid per each click, they offer the highest rates and also they offer a 20% referral bonus. So you're going to refer friends and then you're going to receive 20% of their earnings for life. They offer a low minimum payout and you are required to only earn $5 before you are going to cash out. Something that I want to show you before we start with it is the payout rates to see how much money you can make, and here you're going to see and find your country and you're going to see how much money you can make per 1000 views or per 1000 clicks. So if you cannot find your country listed here, you're going to see here worldwide deal all countries, so this means this is available worldwide. With that said, let's now proceed through the payment proofs, which you can check out by clicking on payment proof here. And you're going to see that people from all around the world are getting paid again and again with this website and through their preferred payment option. You're going to see that they offer PayPal, Payeer and also Payoneer, which I'm going to show you later on. And you have here almost actually 500 pages of payment proofs, and this shows how much legit this website is and that it's going to get you paid. So once you come over to this website UII.io, all you need to do is to create an account for absolutely free so you can start creating those short links, sharing them and getting paid. And if you're wondering why they are paying you, is because whenever you share those links and people click on it, they are first redirected to a page with ads. So they are going to see some ads which they can close then, and after that they're going to proceed to the original link that you're going to give them. So after that you're going to just create an account as I said before, and for that you're going to put a username, an email address, a password, retype the password, then agree to the terms of use and privacy policy and click on register. Then they are going to send you an email when you're going to confirm your email address, and then you're going to be able to log into your brand new account, and this is going to be your dashboard. This is how it's going to look like once you create it. You're going to track your total views, total earnings, every CPM, and also your referral earnings if you want to make money by referring people, as we saw before, with 20% of recurring commissions. Right now mine says $0 because I just created this account to show you how it works. All I want to show you here first of all is how you can withdraw your money, and you need to click here on withdraw, and after that if you haven't put your payment method yet you need to click here and it's going to take you over to this page. Here you're going to complete your billing address by putting your first name, last name, address, state, country, phone number, as you can see, and then you're going to choose the withdrawal method, and they offer PayPal, Payeer and Payoneer as I mentioned before, and you have the minimum withdrawal amount for each of these payment methods. So after that you're going to put your payment email address, and then you're going to cash out once you start with this strategy. and all you need to do is to click here when it says a new shortened link, and after that you're going to put your link here. And maybe you have guessed by now what you are going to do is to go back to the YouTube video that we opened up before. After that you're going to click on share here and then just copy the URL of this video. Then go back to your dashboard and you're going to paste your URL here, and after that just click on shorten. And then it's going to give you your shortened link, which you can now share with people, and whenever people click on it you're going to get money again and again. So it's time for me to show you how you can get traffic to these links, how you can get people to click on it so you can make money again and again. And depending on what your video is about, you're going to find specific people who are going to be interested in clicking in that, and that we are going to benefit from that. So I highly recommend you go over to Google and search for forums related to the niche that you are using. So in my case it was the weight loss niche, so I searched for the weight loss forums, and you can open up all of these forums here. And for example, you can go over to fitness.com, and here you can find a lot of forums related to diet, to weight loss, and so on, as you can see here. And these forums are very popular and the engagement is really high, so you're going to find a lot of people who are going to be interested in watching your video because they want to know how to lose weight fast. So you're going to target specific people who are going to be interested in clicking on your link. Like this you can get hundreds and thousands of clicks to your link, and you can get paid again and again. So I say again and again because you're just going to post your link once, you're going to send them your link once, and then you can sit back and enjoy your clicks and your profit. All you need to do here is to click on one of these forums, and then you're going to be a part of them, and then you're going to engage and start talking with people. You're going to tell them about this video that is going to help them a lot, so they can check it out, they can click on it. They will first be redirected to a page with ads, as I said before, which they can skip, and then they're going to be redirected to the initial video, to the video that you are sharing with them. So this strategy has a lot of potential because you can find any video that you think of in YouTube. You can search for different niches, something that you think that it's going to help out people. Something like a tutorial, for example. It can be even about how to make money online, and you can share it with them, with people who are going to be interested. Find also forums that are going to be related to the niche that you are focused on. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and a comment down below, and also share it with your friends if you think that this is going to benefit them also. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching.